The highlights of today's defense news, 10th of September 25. Army receives 5,000 more AK-203 rifles from Amethi plant. iDEX-DIO and EdCIL Inc. MoU to develop dual-use technology under new Aspire program. Indian Armed Forces contingent departs for multilateral exercise ZAPAD 2025 in Russia. Launch of the 11th ammunition cum torpedo cum missile barge. GTRE successfully conducts Kaveri dry engine test with unrestricted throttle movement. Trilateral talks between India, Iran, and Armenia aimed at developing areas of mutual interest. Indian Army aims to procure 1,800 AI-powered FRCV tanks integrated with advanced UAV and satellite networks. News from the DSEI exhibition. FASA 35 drone brings a new dimension to military and civil operations in the stratosphere. RCV pioneers illustrates integration of robotics in countermine operations. FN Herstal EVOLYS offers ultra-light machine gun for infantry units and special forces. Rheinmetall teams with US Lockheed Martin to develop next-generation tank destroyer vehicle. Leonardo presents Proteus unmanned helicopter to enhance anti-submarine capabilities. MBDA offers surface-launched ASRAM. Israel's Rafale unveils iron beam anti-missile lasers. Smart Shooter expands Smash anti-drone sight to heavy machine guns and vehicles. WB Group rolls out Sea drone that can fire loitering munitions. A look at the news in detail. iDEX-DIO has inked an MoU with EdCIL Limited to foster the development of dual-use cutting-edge technologies, linking defense expertise with emerging EdTech solutions driven by the new Aspire, that is, the Accelerating Strategic Progress in Research and Education program. iDEX-DIO is a flagship initiative of the Ministry of Defense, while EdCIL is a Mini Ratna Category 1 central public sector enterprise under the Ministry of Education. The objective is to extend iDEX's innovation model to the civilian sector, targeting critical challenges and leveraging the strengths and expertise of both organizations to promote innovative technologies that reflect India's growing emphasis on indigenous capabilities. The collaboration opens a new chapter in effectively utilizing the startup ecosystem to develop scalable and impactful innovations. EdCIL, a profit-making and fast-growing Mini Ratna Category 1 CPSC, offers project management, consultancy, EdTech, and related services across the education spectrum, both in India and overseas. In geopolitics, the third round of trilateral consultations between India, Iran, and Armenia was held in Tehran. During the meeting, the three sides emphasized on fulfillment of the goals set to secure mutual interest and promote prosperity and welfare in the region. The meeting emphasized on expanding and deepening cooperation in the fields of connectivity, including the international North-South Transport Corridor and Armenia's Crossroad of Peace project. The sides also reviewed the initiative aimed at developing relations in economic, trade, and other areas of mutual interest. The next rounds of consultation will be held in Armenia next year. News from the forces. Indian Army is initiating a major modernization effort to significantly enhance its combat capabilities by acquiring approximately 1,800 next-generation battle tanks. Under a high-priority initiative known as the FRCV program, these advanced armored platforms are set to replace the Indian Army's aging fleet of Soviet-origin T-72 tanks, which have been in service for over 4 decades. The new tanks will be defined by their deep integration of cutting-edge technologies, including artificial intelligence, unmanned aerial vehicles, and satellite communication networks to ensure a decisive advantage in future conflicts. Codenamed Project Ranjit, the procurement is one of Army's largest and is estimated to cost between 57,000 to 60,000 crore rupees. The plan involves inducting the tanks in three distinct phases, with each phase introducing progressively more advanced technology. The first batch of these future-ready tanks is expected to enter service by 2030. This timeline, overseen by the Director General of Mechanized Forces, is structured to include 4 to 5 years for design and prototype development, followed by approximately 2 years to establish full-scale production lines. A standout feature of the FRCV will be its capacity for network-centric warfare. The tanks will be equipped to seamlessly link with UAVs and satellite systems, providing their crews with real-time battlefield intelligence and a comprehensive operational picture. This connectivity will allow the tank to collaborate with other military assets like drones, loitering munitions, and attack helicopters by sharing critical data to enhance the effectiveness of coordinated strikes. This digital integration will be powered by an AI-based fire control system featuring automatic target detection and tracking, as well as advanced engagement modes like Hunter-Killer, which allows the crew to find and engage multiple targets simultaneously. In the global news, let's have a look at some of the news from the Defense and Security Equipment International DSEI 2025 held at London. BAE Systems and its subsidiary Prismatic Limited presents the FASA 35 system, a solar-powered uncrewed aircraft designed to operate in the stratosphere. Conceived as a high-altitude pseudo-satellite, it is intended as an alternative to traditional means of communication and surveillance, whether through satellites or conventional aircrafts. Its purpose is to provide a platform capable of remaining airborne for several consecutive months without refueling, with limited operational cost and greater flexibility compared to currently available systems. Pearson Engineering presents the RCV Pioneer, equipped with the Minefield Breaching Mission Payload, a system designed to provide combat engineering capabilities to robotic combat vehicles. Built on the principles of rapid interchangeability and adaptability, this configuration demonstrates how a single vehicle can be prepared for specialized tasks through modules that can be exchanged directly in the field. The RCV Pioneer is a pre-configured, self-contained structure to which various engineering tools can be attached. In its minefield breaching role, the system integrates tools specifically designed to clear safe lanes through minefields and other explosive obstacles. Integration and removal of the payload are achieved through a self-lifting mechanism that enables the host vehicle to maneuver underneath the payload for attachment or detachment. Quick release fastenings, which do not require tools, allow two soldiers to complete the operation in approximately 30 minutes. EVOLYS is FN Herstal's newest generation of ultralight machine guns designed in both 5.56 by 45 mm and 7.62 by 51 mm and NATO calibers to answer a critical demand from modern armed forces, combining the firepower of a belt-fed weapon with the mobility and ergonomics of an assault rifle. By reducing weight, simplifying handling, and integrating features long requested by the operators, the EVOLYS directly addresses the challenges faced by infantry and special operation units operating in dispersed mobile and urban environments. At just 5.5 kilograms in its 5.56 mm caliber configuration and a little over 6 kilograms in 7.62 mm caliber, the EVOLYS is nearly one-third lighter than legacy systems like Minimi. This drastic reduction means soldiers can move faster, carry more ammunition, and maintain suppressive fire without the fatigue that has historically limited combat effectiveness. The weapon incorporates a patented side opening feed tray that allows continuous use of optics on a single uninterrupted top rail, a solution to the long-standing problem of zero shift during reloads. Rheinmetall unveiled a first-of-its-kind mobile missile destroyer developed in partnership with Lockheed Martin. Known as the Fuchs JAGM, that is Joint Air-to-Ground Missile, the system integrates a full suite of US-designed precision missiles into Rheinmetall's modernized 6x6 Fuchs Evolution armored vehicle. Designed to conduct precision strikes against both ground and aerial threats, this hybrid solution brings multi-domain engagement capabilities into a tactical wheeled platform for the first time. Leonardo presents the Proteus unmanned rotorcraft technology demonstrator, a system developed within the framework of UK Ministry of Defence's Rotary Wing Uncrewed Air System program. With an estimated maximum takeoff weight of 3 tons, it draws on the proven architecture of the Copter AW09 light helicopter, integrating its four-bladed main rotor and shrouded anti-torque system. Its fuselage has been re-engineered for unmanned operations, optimizing internal volume for a modular payload bay. This modularity is central to the aircraft's design philosophy, allowing it to carry up to 1,000 kilograms, equivalent to 2 NATO standard pallets, or to be configured for longer endurance missions by reducing payload and increasing fuel capacity. The structure relies heavily on advanced composites and additive manufacturing, which both reduce weight and lower production cost. A digital twin combined with artificial intelligence powered control software has been created to replicate the aircraft's behavior under different mission conditions, enabling virtual validation of complex functions like autonomous deck landings before physical trials. This approach reduces risk, shortens development cycles, and aligns with the Royal Navy's emphasis on cost effective innovation. Rafael Advanced Defense Systems brought replicas of its laser-powered ion beam missile shield, lifting the veil on a defensive technology used recently in the Gaza war. The portfolio includes the Mobile Ion Beam M, the Naval Ion Beam, the Light Beam, and the latest addition to its laser defense system family, the Ion Beam 450. The ion beam is a laser-based defense system designed to intercept short-range rockets, missiles, mortar bombs, unmanned aerial vehicles, and drones. It became operational during the ongoing Gaza-Israel war and has been implemented in a variety of applications, including use on naval vessels and among maneuvering forces. The ion beam and naval ion beam are equipped with 100 kilowatts laser weapon, the ion beam M with a 30 to 50 kilowatts laser weapon, and the light beam with 10 kilowatts. Additionally, the company states that the ion beam 450 extends Rafael's laser portfolio with greater range, speed of interception, and cost per engagement effective model. WB Group has pulled the wraps of Storm Rider, a naval drone built to support maritime expeditions and strike from afar. Armed with a Warmate TL launcher, the unmanned vessel can deploy loitering munitions for precision strikes while limiting collateral damage. Remote weapon stations also enhance its offensive capabilities, enabling long-range tracking and target engagement without a crew on board. To reduce risk to personnel, Storm Rider can operate remotely or semi-autonomously thanks to its automated architecture. That's all the news for today. We hope you have enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.